on the road, we have a huge task in front of us today. I need more logs. The only problem is there's a massive body of water in between me and the island that they're on. We're going ice logging. Hang tight because we've been hitting above average temperatures and I don't know what the ice is like. Fingers crossed, let's get going. Oh man. Okay guys, I just came across these holes. There looks to be, like you just saw, probably about 5 to 8 inches. But watch this. Feels bouncy, it feels eerie. A little sketchy, but the ice is thick enough. Here, I'm gonna go down probably a kilometer. I'll show you. So we're headed for that island over there. So it's an easy kilometer, kilometer and a half. Then we gotta cut across, and then we're going in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick along these tracks here, and before I cut across, I'm going to double check everything. Safety, safety, safety. Plus 10 here yesterday and full on sun, and you can see like some of these holes. It's the same thing that happened to me last year. It was it snowed on top of ice, and what you see, a hole about this big and all these cracks coming off it. That's what I went through last year, and I've just seen like 4 or 5, and then it really spooked me. So just checking it, taking our time. My only concern is now was when you'll see when we get over there, I have to drop the logs onto the ice. Hopefully we don't split it. Let's keep going.
Not blue, blue too, bad mood.
Guys, we made it. So far so good. Right there. Nice and straight. Top we can use for firewood. I'm hoping to get 3 or 4 lengths for the mill. Nice sandy beach in the summer. It's a very popular place in the summer for boating. Have a look. That is a beautiful log. See what happens. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna focus on getting the tree down and getting it hooked up and stuff. And I'm going to drill a hole. I'm going to throw the fishing rod in. We're here. We might as well. I noticed somebody else was fishing at the other side there. And then we're going to have a really nice fire. And we're going to cook up a meal. Hopefully we can get this log out of here. Fingers crossed. All right. First things first. Let's get a line in the water. I just drilled a hole. Get our shrimp. Take a little piece of that. Make a little orange spinner. And we'll see what happens here. Okay, so I limbed this up. That's a nice length. That's a nice length. This is mostly going to be firewood up to here. Now, I'm going to cut that where it cracked and stuff. We're going to use that for our bonfire. So right where that cut is, I put some rollers here. So I put some rollers here, so when that drops down, I'm hoping that'll just help me. And I might have to cut it in another section. I'm hoping to drag it all out in one swoop. But if not, I'll have to cut it up there and get it level and then make two pieces. If you remember before, I kind of molded this thing. It's going to sit up underneath the log. And I have a really short strap this time. I want this as close as possible to the four-wheeler. So we're hooked up. Is this going to work? And I've got no idea. Really don't. It's a big log. I do have chains, and I have 4 chains, so we're digging all the way. Interesting to see if this works. You guys remember the TV show, The Beachcombers, Relic? Well, that's what we're doing today. We're beachcombing for logs, except we're doing it on ice. Let's go get this over there and drop it off and come back for some more. I just shortened it up to 8 feet. Well, at least we got one on the trailer, sort of. Not helping, everything's on a big angle. I remember I flew my other drill up and I got a smaller one. I should have my DeWalt here. It's way more powerful. There we go. We're getting somewhere. All right, we're getting there, guys. Oh, man. Gotta get going on this. We have to go back and get the stuff and hopefully have a fire yet. We'll see. So hang tight. I'm gonna finish loading here. You're wondering why this fire took off so good. See all the sap? Look at it. Look at that stuff. Look at the sap on that. This stuff is like gasoline. What a day, eh, guys? Unbelievable. What a way to end the day. On a lake, fishing rod, could have the monster fish on it. We got some logs. Got another log to take, and we got some firewood. And hang on, listen. Oh, you hear that? You got it. Peace and quiet. Oh, just take a second and breathe that in. And the sound of a fire. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, good girl. We got a can of beans, pork and molasses, and oops, And I just cut up some hot dogs. Let's have a look. And we got a few that fell on the ground, but I know somebody who might like a piece. Oh, there you go. Okay, guys. What do you think of that? Oh well. I think we're losing more than we're getting. Let's get this close to the fire and cook up dinner. Well, cheers guys to a long, hard day. And what a day it was. Cooking over a campfire. This doesn't get any better than that. The simple things in life like this. It doesn't get any better. Beans and wieners and a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.